So this is one of the easiest power stations to use. It's very self-explanatory, but I will just go over it for you. When you're looking at the front, this is all the controls and outputs that you have. You have your USBs on the left. You have one Type-C and two USB-As. You have some DC outputs right there. This is basically the common cigarette jack lighter thingy that goes into there. And then you have three grounded AC outputs that are maxed out at 1000 watts. That's a pretty high rating, so you can pretty much run most appliances off of this unit as long as it has a standard 3-prong outlet. This isn't going to run an air conditioner or a space heater for very long. Those are very high demand electronics, and pretty much most power stations are going to support that. But this is definitely sufficient for most needs. Perfect for camping, perfect for emergency backup in case of power outages. As you can see, you have a screen in the middle. This is a live reading of the watts. This is your capacity on the left. And on the right here, you have 99 hours remaining. So that's the time remaining until this baby needs to be recharged. These little buttons control the clusters of outlets. So they have a little green LED when they're activated, and each one is corresponding with a separate cluster. Right here is an input for solar or another option to charge via a car charger if you'd like. And on the back, we'll spin this around and you can see there is your AC input. That's going to be the best and fastest way to charge this thing up. Here's a quick look at the specs. I recommend just pausing it if you need to know this. And you do have a fan built in. The handle up here is definitely sufficient and much needed. This is very heavy. You also have this light bar, which is pretty sweet. It's got a bunch of different settings. You have a strobe effect, an SOS, and a standard on-off. But overall, definitely a nice power station. Very simple to use, reliable, and built well. I highly recommend this.